Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to copy a Wix Shop page to another Wix site. So let me show you how to do that. First you have to open Wix website and go to the top right side of your dashboard and click on design site. Now you will land on your project. Once you are in, you have to go on the left side and you will see the pages and menu. You have to click on that and go to the first option. You will see three dots here. Just drop down this and you have to see the copy option here. Just click on the button copy and your page is copied. Now you have to go on the dashboard and you will see on the top of your screen, just drop down the menu and select your site where you want to paste the copied page. Once you are in the dashboard, click on the design site and you are now on your new site. Just go to the left side again, click on the pages and menu option and right click here. Now you will see two options, paste and apply site themes. If you want to also paste the site theme of the previous site, you can also do that. And if you just want to paste the page, you can click on paste and you will see your page is pasted successfully. And that's it. You have successfully copied page and pasted it to another site. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.